In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font size in FigJam on Figma, whether you're creating a workshop board, a brainstorming session, or simply leaving notes for your team. Being able to quickly adjust your text size will make your content much easier to read and organize. First, make sure you're logged into your Figma account and on the main dashboard. From there, open a FigJam file. This can be an existing board you've already created with your team, or you can start a new FigJam file from scratch. Once your board is open, give it a moment to fully load so all the tools are available. You'll know you're in a FigJam file if you see the sticky notes, shapes, and drawing tools along the toolbar. Next, you'll need some text to work with. Select the text tool from the toolbar or simply double-click anywhere on the canvas to start typing. Type in the text you want, such as a title, a note, or a label for a section. When you're done typing, highlight the text you want to resize. You can do this by clicking and dragging over the words or by triple-clicking to select an entire line or paragraph. Highlighting is important because any changes you make to the font size will only apply to the selected text. Now, look towards the top of the screen in the Properties panel. Here, you'll see the text formatting options. Among them, you'll find the current font size displayed as a number, such as 12, 16, or 24. This is what the instructions refer to as the existing size name. Click directly on that number. When you click it, a small menu or field will open, allowing you to change the value. Once that menu is open, you have a couple of options. You can either select a size from the preset options that appear in the drop-down, or you can type in a specific number if you want something more precise. For subtle adjustments, try increasing or decreasing the size by a few points at a time. After you select or enter your desired size, press enter or click outside the field to apply the change. You should immediately see your highlighted text update on the FigJam board. If the text still feels too small or too large, simply repeat the process. Highlight the text again, click the current size at the top, and select a different value until it looks just right. Over time, you'll get a feel for which sizes work best for titles, subheadings, and body text in your FigJam boards.